Good morning, everyone. My name is Anandu S. Anand. I am going to present a PPT on the topic international trade. An overview to the international trade, pricing, globalization, outsourcing, tariff, import, cost, customs, freight, documents, insurance, exchange rate, origin, law. International trade, the branch of economics concerned with the exchange of goods and service with foreign countries. Purchase, sales, or exchange of goods and service across national borders. International trade. Almost every kind of product can be found on the international market, such as food, clothes, spare parts, oil jewelry, wine, stock, currencies. This is the table which shows that which country exports the most goods and service. China comes first, then comes Germany, the third is United States, fourth is Japan, fifth is France, sixth is South Korea, seventh is Netherlands, eighth is Italy, ninth is Russia, and tenth comes the United Kingdom. Trade policy development. Philippines. They continue to hold with importance its membership in the WTO and recognize the value of the WTO's achievement in fostering a competitive environment. With its membership in 1995, the Philippines made substantial commitment on market access and plans to seek technical assistance programs from its donor agencies and bilateral partners to assist in the compliance of trade facilitation commitment. Why specialize? Because of specialization, both nations can be better off, even if one nation has an absolute advantage in both goods over the other. Why trade? Reasons country benefit from foreign trade. They can import source they lack at home. They can import goods for which they are relatively inefficient producer. Specialization sometimes permits economics of large scale production. Tariff, trade barrier, a tax on goods shipped internationally, a price based barrier. How a tariff works. In United States, American made clothes cost $4 a roll. In Britain, Britain made clothes cost $4 a roll. A 25% tariff of $1 is added to the price. British made clothes cost $5 a roll in the United States. Tariff. Types of tariff. Import and export tariff. A tax levied on imports or exports of a country. Transit tariff, a tax levied on goods passing through the country. Specific duty, a tariff based on the number of items being imported. Ad valorem duty, a tariff based on the percentage of the value of imported goods. Compound duty, a tariff consisting of both a specific and ad valorem duty. Now, tariff trade barrier, quotas, subsidies. Advantages of international trade leads to more efficient resource allocation and lower cost per unit of output as the market become bigger and broader to exercise economics of scale, etc. Now, non-economic advantages like political, social, and cultural advantages to be gained by fostering trade in international organizations like WTO, etc. Disadvantage of international trade. One may need to wait for long term gains. Hiring professional staff to launch international trade is timely and costly to do. Modifying product or packaging. Develop new promotional material. Thank you everyone. I hope you guys liked the presentation. Thank you.